Hello, my name is Vasilii and I'm software engineer currently located in Sweden, and I'm joining Vaxine as a founding engineer and going to help to build a great product with the help of all my expertise in database and distributed systems areas. I was exposed to the computers early in the childhood and was fascinated by their abilities to tell the computer what you wanted to do. As one of my first experience was an attempt to re-implement the so-called snake game, where you try to navigate the snake across the trees and eat some apples. I realized that when I saw the program doing whatever I was telling it to do and realized that it's probably not as complicated as one might think. So I decided that it's an interesting world that I want to explore, and that's how I started spending more time on that. And that's how I got into the programming in the first place, then had a computer science degree, and that's how I end up working in the industry. As a software engineer, I've been working in the field for more than 10 years, and I'm passionate about databases and distributed systems, which I designed, developed, and deployed to production within the fintech and network industry. I love to build scalable and reliable solutions with the help of the functional languages, and Erlang is one of my favorite tools in the toolbox. I'm interested also in the formal methods and try to learn and apply them in the daily work. And I truly believe that they help to not only design a better solution, but also improve the quality of the product. Interest in the distributed systems was what brought me to the Erlang in the first place. Originally, this language was designed for telecom systems, but its actor model offers a good abstraction for modeling and developing highly parallel and distributed applications in general. It is designed with full tolerance in mind and offers a clean error handling model. But what makes Erlang really shine is the Beam virtual machine that it runs on, which offers great introspective capabilities, support for massive concurrency and distribution. I used to work in a financial broker company where we had a system entirely written in the Erlang, which was consuming data coming from the exchangers, calculating some aggregates on top, and then streamed them to the clients, offering both streaming and historical APIs. At some point, business decided to drastically expand the amount of supported financial instruments and set an objective to redesign the system to meet the scalability and availability requirements, still providing low latency and fault tolerance. At the time, React Database, the DynamoDB-like architecture, was on the peak of its success, and I decided to redesign the system on top of the React core to meet new business requirements and achieve horizontal scaling and high availability. With a limited amount of manpower and time, we did not only achieve the goal, but also maintain the existing solution. Working in the large companies like Klarna or Cisco implies different challenges one may face with. At Klarna, I gained a lot of knowledge and experience in developing and operating services in the highly scalable payment infrastructure running in the cloud. At Cisco, on the other hand, our team was responsible for the database and transaction layer that formed the foundation for the two large products, where the parallelism and performance were playing an important role, but also a lot of attention was dedicated to stability and backwards compatibility of the product. As founding engineer in the Vaxine, I believe that I will bring to the team the necessary industry experience of building highly scalable solutions. By having experience of building both the platform and the product, my team would benefit from it, and I would try my best to reduce the gap between the industry and academia in our team. It doesn't happen so often that you are given an opportunity to be involved in early development of the distributed database written on the top of the Beam ecosystem. Familiar technological stack and framework, great founding team, and strong academia background of the team members made me think that it's a great opportunity that I shouldn't miss. My focus across antidote and Vaxine layers would be mainly on the bottom part of the stack, mainly the database layer, inter-DC replication, transaction layer, and etc. I would be also focusing on the better testing for the product with keeping common product and platform challenges in mind. My ambition for the product is to use all my industrial knowledge and experience to help to turn Vaxine into a great product. At my spare time, I like to spend time with my family and friends, traveling, and also indoor climbing. When it comes to the indoor climbing, the thing that I enjoy the most is the feeling when you see the goal and you try to figure out how to reach it. And every time the goal is slightly different.